Grade 8 Physics, Chapter Some Natural Phenomena, Module 3. Objectives: to identify the reasons for earthquake, to find the seismic zones. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth which lasts for a very short time. An earthquake is caused by the violent movements of rocks deep inside the earth's crust. Earthquakes can cause immense damage to houses, other buildings, bridges, dams, and people. A lot of people get killed when they get buried under the collapsed houses and other buildings during an earthquake. Earthquake can also cause floods, landslides, and tsunamis. Earthquake is a destructive natural phenomenon which cannot be predicted in advance. To explain the cause of earthquake, we have to know the structure of earth. The inside of earth is made up of three main layers: core, mantle, and crust. The whole crust of earth is not in one piece. The crust of earth is divided into many plates. Due to convection currents taking place inside mantle, the plates of Earth's crust are moving around very slowly. Why do earthquakes occur? The earthquakes occur when the moving plates of the Earth's crust slide past one another and collide with one another. When the entangled rocks of the two crust plates break open suddenly with a big jolt, the earthquake occurs, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. The sudden release of tremendous amount of energy produces shock waves which make the earth shake. Seismic zones. The weak zones of Earth's crust are called seismic zones or fault zones. The zones which are more prone to the earthquakes are seismic zones. In India, the areas most threatened by earthquakes are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northeast, Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan and Indo-Gangetic Plain. In this module, you have learned about the cause of earthquake and about seismic zones.